Folks, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look here at this Pro Ultimate Samsung SD card. This has a read speed of 200 megabytes per second, a write speed of 160 megabytes per second. And I decided to try this out because it seemed to be one of the fastest SD cards out there, especially for drone use. And so decided to give it a go and see how it would work out. And put it to use in my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. And so check out some of the footage I captured with that. In the end, super happy with these. They really performed well. I like the fact with the 260 gigabyte capacity, that with that, you know, there was just tons and tons of space to be able to store, you know, those files, because even with a couple minutes of flying and filming at 4K and stuff, you're running into multiple gigabytes easily. So I didn't have to worry about, oh gee, I'm going to run out of space on this card or whatever for at least a day or two. And it just ended up working out real well. Didn't have any hiccups in the footage or anything like that. Everything was super smooth. So in the end, very happy with these Samsung Pro Ultimate cards. Did a great job. Check out some of the footage I shot to see what you think. But super happy with them, and I'm going to continue to use them. Just very, very happy with the results. So anyways, definitely check these out, folks. Enjoy the footage. And if you've got a drone or action camera, I also put them to use in a DJI Action 5 camera as well, and handled it just fine too. So that did perfectly fine. So anyways, definitely check these out. Enjoy the footage, and y'all have a good day.